Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to We Make It Easy. For today's video, we're going to learn about simple plotting in Scilab. Producing plots and graphics is a very common task for analyzing data and creating reports. Scilab offers many ways to create and customize various types of plots and charts. In this video, we present how to create a 2D plot, then we customize the title and legend for our graphics, and finally export the plot so that we can use it in our report. And also, Scilab is not only to calculate quantities, but to plot them as well. We will do only simple x and y plots. So let's get started. To create a simple plot of quantity y versus another quantity x, we need to follow these procedures. First, create the x array. Second, create the y array. And the last is to call the plot command. It's often simplest to create an array of x values using Scilab implicit for loop. The statement is x equals to 0, 0.1, 10. X create an array which starts at 0, ends at 10, and increases by 0.1 at each step. For example, 0, 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, up to 10. For y, we need to call sine function for x. Then, the plot command. Save and run the program. It will open a Scilab graphic window that contains the graph of the plotting answers of our statement. And that's it for the simple plotting in Scilab. There are a number of options to plot command, which you can read by typing help plot in the Scilab control window. Let me give you the example. First, I can plot individual points together with a connected line by add O on the plot syntax. For example, and it creates a window which is look like this. Or even I change the color of the line. Second, I can plot several different sets of data together. For example, and it will create a window which is look like this. Another useful command is a MATLAB axis, which lets you control the size of the axis. I've already created the plot with both sine and cosine functions. I can resize it by typing or adding to our program the MATLAB function. For example, with this function, it changes the plotting window so it looks like this. And finally, to put levels on our graph, you can call the X level, Y level, and title commands in Scilab. So let's have some example. To export the created graph, go to File, then Export, and save. And that's it for creating graph in Scilab. If you have any suggestion, queries, reaction to this video, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.